How to fix Deathloop loading issues on Windows 11. 1. Check if your PC meets the minimum requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. And you better properly place it. Storage and RAM in the slot. 2. Run Steam or Deathloop launcher as admin. And enable run this program as an administrator in Steam properties. 3. Verify integrity of game files in Steam. 4. Update the graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Install any Deathloop updates. 5. Close third-party applications via WTM. Plan B, perform a clean boot. Six. Disable antivirus software. 7. Disable Steam overlay.